Right, hope everyone's doing alright and all that and surviving in these weird times. So it's a quick video about a Pheasant Poachers modified rat trap. So it's a rat trap with a block of wood underneath it. You've also got a tie-off point as well. Now the block of wood, there is couple of reasons for this. Right, so your normal rat trap, what you want to do though, it's got to have a rat trap with a small treadle plate. Is better, and that is because you can get the bait right up here. I suppose you could do this with the bigger ones, but you've got more of a risk of it going off earlier, if you know what I mean. You want the bait as far in here as you can. That is so the pheasant's head is right in there when it goes off. Now if it had a big treadle plate and it set it off here, it would only catch its beak. So they would use ones like this and have to have the bait right at the back there, or sometimes even tie a bit of wire on with a little bit sticking out and put some berries or seeds or whatever on top of that. So I had to get right in there and peck it to set it off. So the block of wood, that is for two reasons. One, it brings the trap up slightly at a better angle for the pheasant to have its head in, and also being up in the air, it stops the pheasant, if it's wandering around, stops it standing on it. Now you might think, oh yeah, that'd be a good idea, stand on it, catch it by the foot, but you got to remember this is a pheasant poacher's trap, so he doesn't want a pheasant in there alive squawking and making a racket. Wants it dead. So this way the pheasant shouldn't stand on it so easily, and it's up at a better angle for it to be able to get its head in there and then go off. And all that simply is done is just a screw there on a block of wood. You could do this by laying it on a log, but like I said a minute ago, it's a pheasant poacher's trap, so he wants these traps ready to go, not having to find bits and do it. If you knew there was going to be bits of wood or stones, yeah, then you could prop it up like that. But this is already done, ready to go. And the other thing you're supposed to do is, when you set it, you want to set it up against something at the back there. So up against a tree, or have something behind it at least, so the pheasant doesn't come from this angle. You could stick sticks in the ground around it, that'd be a good idea. That'd probably be the best idea. Sticks going round, so he has to come in that side. Otherwise, put it up against a tree, as long as this can still go off. If that will go to there, it should still go off. Up against a tree, log, rocks, whatever, so it comes in from this side, not from the back. If it comes in from the back, and it's not going to get it at all. So yeah, simple mod for trapping pheasants or those types of, you know, ground dwelling birds. Right, anyway, I hope everyone's safe and doing alright, and you know, as good as you can be. Not sure what even day of lockdown we're in now, but anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.